Good evening, everyone. When life breaks you, life, it's the greatest teacher, the fiercest competitor, and the hardest opponent you'll ever face. It doesn't just knock you down, it will break you. And when it does, you'll ask yourself, why me? But let me tell you something right now, being broken is not the end. No, it's the beginning of something greater, something more profound. When life breaks you, that's when you find out who you really are. It's in those shattered moments, those late nights when the tears won't stop falling, that you're given a choice. You can either stay broken or you can rebuild, piece by piece, brick by brick, stronger than before. But rebuilding doesn't mean rushing. It doesn't mean you have all the answers or that the pain will disappear overnight. It means trusting the process, believing in yourself even when the world gives you every reason not to. It means understanding that the cracks in your soul are what let the light in. So I'll leave you with this: let life break you, but don't let it destroy you. Because when you rise from that brokenness, you'll carry a wisdom, a strength, and a fire that can't be extinguished. The world may see your scars, but only you will know the story behind them. And that, my friends, is your power. Life's breaks are opportunities. When life breaks you, it may feel like everything is falling apart. The weight of failure, loss, or hardship can be overwhelming, leaving you questioning your purpose and direction. However, these moments of breaking are not the end, they are opportunities in disguise. Just as a seed must crack open to grow, we too must endure breaking to unlock our potential. Adversity has a unique way of stripping away our illusions and exposing who we truly are. In those moments, we're forced to confront our weaknesses, fears, and doubts. But here's the hidden gift: within those confrontations lies the chance to grow, to rebuild ourselves into something stronger and more resilient. Each challenge we face teaches us lessons we might never learn in comfort. It's in hardship that we discover our grit, our perseverance, and our capacity to overcome. Consider how diamonds are formed. They are created under intense pressure and heat conditions that would destroy most things. But instead of crumbling, they emerge radiant and unbreakable. Similarly, when life applies pressure, it's preparing us for transformation. The pieces of ourselves that seem broken can be rearranged into something new, something even more beautiful. When you shift your perspective and see life's breaks as opportunities, you move from being a victim of circumstances to the architect of your destiny. Every setback becomes a setup for a comeback. Every loss becomes a lesson. And every failure becomes fuel for future success. So, when life breaks you, remember it's not the end. It's the chance to rebuild, to reinvent yourself, and to grow into the version of you that can handle life's next challenge. Breaks aren't barriers, they're bridges to something greater. Pain is temporary, growth is permanent. Pain is an inevitable part of life. Whether it comes in the form of failure, loss, heartbreak, or disappointment, pain touches us all. In the moment, it can feel overwhelming, like it will last forever. But the truth is, pain is temporary. It's a fleeting state, even if it lingers longer than we'd like. What's lasting, however, is the growth that comes from enduring and overcoming it. Pain serves as life's way of forcing us to pause, reflect, and adapt. While it's uncomfortable, it's also transformative. Think about it: the soreness you feel after a tough workout doesn't last forever, but the strength you build from it does. Similarly, emotional pain carves out space within us, creating room for empathy, resilience, and wisdom. The key is to lean into the pain rather than run from it. Running prolongs the process, but confronting it head-on allows you to extract its lessons. Pain teaches you what matters most, what you can endure, and what needs to change. It strips away the superficial and reveals the depth of your character. Growth, on the other hand, is permanent. The strength you build after a painful experience becomes a part of who you are. Every time you navigate pain, you become better equipped to handle future challenges. You learn to trust yourself, to adapt, and to persevere. So the next time you're in pain, remind yourself this is temporary. But the person you'll become because of it, that's forever. Growth isn't just a consolation prize for enduring hardship, it's the reward. It's life's way of proving that nothing is wasted, not even your toughest moments. Pain passes, but the strength and transformation it leaves behind are yours to keep. Your response defines you. Life's challenges may not always be within your control, but your response to them is. When life breaks you, when things don't go as planned, or tragedy strikes you, face a defining moment. It's not the hardship itself, but how you choose to react that determines who you are and what you will become. Imagine two people experiencing the same storm. One feels defeated, giving up hope and allowing the storm to consume them. The other, though battered and bruised, stands firm and searches for a way to navigate through it. What's the difference? Their response. Adversity reveals character, and in the face of challenges, your response has the power to reshape your narrative. It's tempting to let anger, bitterness, or despair take control when life breaks you. But those reactions often prolong the pain and close the door to solutions. On the other hand, choosing resilience, reflection, and action allows you to turn obstacles into opportunities. Responding with courage doesn't mean ignoring the pain, it means acknowledging it while refusing to let it define you. Think about the stories of those who've overcome great odds, athletes, inventors, or everyday heroes. Their circumstances weren't perfect. In many cases, life broke them, but they refused to stay down. They responded by digging deeper, by finding new strengths, and by refusing to give up. Your response is where your power lies. It's the bridge between the challenge and the outcome. When life tests you, take a moment to breathe, reflect, and choose how you'll move forward. Will you let the storm drown you, or will you rise above it? Your response shapes your future. It determines whether life's breaks will leave you shattered or make you stronger than ever before. Strength comes through struggle. Struggle is often seen as something to avoid something inconvenient or painful. But the truth is, struggle is where strength is born. Every challenge, every hardship, and every moment of adversity has the potential to shape us into stronger, wiser, and more resilient individuals. Strength doesn't come from avoiding difficulty, it comes from confronting it head-on and persevering through it. Think of a butterfly emerging from its chrysalis. The struggle to break free isn't an obstacle, it's essential. That very effort strengthens its wings, preparing it for flight. Without the struggle, the butterfly would never soar. Similarly, in life, every struggle we endure strengthens our character, builds our resilience, and equips us for the next stage of our journey. When you face struggles, they force you out of your comfort zone, pushing you to tap into abilities you didn't know you had. Struggles teach you patience, persistence, and problem solving. They show you your limits, not to discourage you, but to help you expand them. Every time you rise after a fall, you're proving to yourself that you're stronger than the challenge that tried to break you. But strength through struggle isn't just physical, it's mental and emotional too. It's the ability to stay calm under pressure, to keep going even when the odds seem stacked against you. The lessons learned through struggle don't just prepare you for future hardships, they also make you more empathetic, more grounded, and more appreciative of life's victories. So, embrace the struggles. They are not signs of failure, they are opportunities for growth. Each battle you fight shapes you into a stronger version of yourself. Struggle isn't the enemy, it's the path to discovering the strength within you. And that strength will carry you further than you ever imagined. Turn scars into power. Every scar tells a story. Whether physical, emotional, or mental, scars are reminders of battles fought and challenges overcome. They may represent pain, but they also signify survival, growth, and resilience. The power of scars lies not in hiding them, but in embracing them as symbols of your strength and using them as a source of inspiration and motivation. Scars can make us feel vulnerable, as they often remind us of moments when we were at our weakest. But vulnerability is not a weakness, it's a testament to the courage it took to endure. Each scar is proof that no matter how hard life hit, you got back up. You fought. You survived. And through that survival, you gained wisdom, strength, and resilience. Instead of being ashamed of your scars, let them empower you. They remind you of the lessons learned in adversity and the strength you discovered when you thought you had none. Scars can become your badge of honor, a visual narrative of your journey from brokenness to healing, from hardship to triumph. By owning your scars, you inspire others. When people see someone who has embraced their past and used it to fuel their growth, it gives them hope for their own struggles. Your scars show that pain is temporary and that growth is possible, even after the deepest wounds. Turning scars into power means shifting your perspective. It's about focusing not on the pain that caused the scar, but on the strength it took to heal. Every scar is a chapter in your story, a reminder of where you've been and how far you've come. Use them as fuel to propel you forward, as proof of your resilience, and as symbols of your unbreakable spirit. So, let me leave you with this: life will break you. It's not a matter of if, but when. And in those moments when the weight feels unbearable and the road seems endless, remember this: being broken is not your end, it's the beginning of something greater. The pain you feel today is shaping the strength you'll carry tomorrow. The struggles you face are crafting the resilience that will help you conquer mountains you've yet to climb. Embrace your scars, honor your journey, and rise from the ashes of your hardships like the unstoppable force you are. Let life break you, but never let it destroy you. Because when you stand up stronger and wiser than before, you'll realize that nothing, not even the harshest storms, can extinguish your fire. So when life breaks, you rebuild. When life tests, you rise. And when life challenges you, answer back with courage, faith, and an unshakable belief in your ability to overcome. The world is waiting for the version of you that emerges after the storm, stronger, wiser, and unbreakable. Go out there and show it what you're made of. Thank you.